Three ways the enemy tries to stop your prayers. There are ways the enemy tries to stop our prayers, and if you are not careful, you can fall prey to them. One of the most effective ways to receive answers to your prayers is to understand these three tactics the enemy uses to stop your prayers. Have you ever noticed that when you are praying, something feels heavy in your heart, like something is trying to stop your prayers or even stop you from praying? Even Daniel, a man who was very close to God, faced this situation. In Daniel chapter 10, Daniel prayed for 3 weeks, but the answer didn't come right away. An angel told him that he was delayed because of spiritual resistance. Think about that. Daniel prayed faithfully, yet there was a fight in the spiritual realm before his prayer could reach God. This shows us something very important. Resistance in prayer is real, and it usually happens because something powerful is about to happen while you are praying. Satan knows when your prayer can bring a big breakthrough, and he uses tricks to stop it. Not every weakness you feel in prayer is your fault. Many times it is the enemy trying to stop you because he knows your prayer can defeat him at that moment. That is the essence. He is using tricks and tactics to stop you from praying. And in this video, I will explain to you how you can know these Satan tactics. Before we go deeper, take a moment to like this video so it can reach more people who need to understand this truth. Click on the like button. Thank you for liking this video, and may God bless you abundantly. In this video, I will teach you 3 ways the enemy tries to stop your prayers and how you can overcome them. The first way is distraction. Yes, distraction. You know how it feels. You start to pray and suddenly your mind is full of other thoughts. Your body feels tired. Small things seems urgent for no reason. It seems harmless, but this is a trap. Sometimes you thought or you think it does not mean, but Satan is using those little thoughts that you come into your mind to distract you and stop you from praying. If you let those thoughts continue, your prayer will stay shallow and weak. The enemy uses distraction because he knows prayer is powerful when it is focused. If you let distraction win, your prayers will feel empty and ineffective. And you may even start doubting if God is listening. To overcome distraction, just keep bringing your focus back to God every time it drifts away. Every time you do this, your prayer gets stronger and stronger. Whenever Satan put a distraction in your heart, use the scripture to redirect your focus to God to continue praying. This will help you to overcome satanic tactics. The second way is discouragement after prayer. You pray sincerely, but days pass and nothing seems to change. silence feels louder. Thoughts creep in like, is this working? Does God even hear me? This is the enemy trying to make you stop. It may feel small at first, but if you give in, it can kill your prayer life. To fight discouragement, understand that delay does not mean denial. Some prayers change circumstance quietly. Some prayers prepare you so you can handle the answer when it comes. Abraham, Joseph, and Anna all waited after they prayed, but their patience led to incredible breakthroughs. So, you don't rush in the place of prayer expecting your answer. Persistence makes your prayer to become effective if you want to receive answer and overcome the tactics of the enemy. You must fight against discouragement. Discouragement is a sign that your prayer matters, not a reason to quit. The third way is tying your prayer to emotion. Once Satan wants to get your attention in prayer, he ties your prayer to emotion. Many people pray only when they feel inspired or excited. When that feeling fades, the prayer fades too. This is very dangerous because it gives the enemy control. The strongest prayer are not always emotional. Faithful prayer keeps going even when it feels ordinary. Some of the most powerful prayers you will ever pray feel simple and quiet, but they carry great weight in the spirit realm. When you put this all together, distraction, discouragement, and emotional dependence, you begin to pray in a way that the enemy cannot stop or resist your prayer. So distraction, discouragement, and emotional dependence are satanic tactics to stop people from praying and seeking God for answers. If you can overcome these three things, resistance will no longer confuse you. It will inform you of satanic tactics to navigate rightly in your prayers. Every time your prayer faces opposition and you keep going, you are breaking chains, defeating the enemy, and moving closer to the breakthrough God has promised you. Learn these tactics, overcome them, and watch your prayers become unstoppable. Do not let these three tactics of Satan or the enemy to hinder your prayers or stop you from praying. Avoid distraction, avoid discouragement, and avoid emotional dependency. Sometimes people are praying, they are saying they don't feel God while they are praying. Keep praying. That means you need more prayers. You need to persist and remain consistent in the place of prayer so you can break through and feel the presence of God. If you give up in the place of prayer, whenever you are praying, you are the one that loses. So for you to win in the place of prayer and testify, keep pushing on, keep praying, persist, and remain in that place until you hear from God or God give you answers to your prayers. Do not stop. Are you aware? In Matthew 26, when Jesus prayed, he prayed almost 3 times. He didn't give up. He kept asking God for God to let the cup pass him by. He didn't stop praying. He prayed first, he prayed second, he prayed again and again and again. Even while he was on the cross, he still prayed. Persistent prayer makes the hand of God visible in your life while you are praying. God bless you. If you are blessed by this video, please like this video and follow this page if you want more content like this. I will be doing series of Christian teaching that will benefit your life and benefit your Christian faith. Like this video and subscribe now to be a part of this Christian body. You can share this video with your friends so that they will know how to pray to receive answers. God bless you and see you in my next video.